This is a drop-off video for this Golf VK21 NFN. Let's just quickly go have a look at the mileage and see if there's any lights on the dashboard or anything like that. So straight away we can see that the mileage is 2875. That is the mileage. Let's have a look to make sure there's no lights, engine light or anything like that. Let's start. Oil change service due. It's due for a service. Error, select a level you could drive on. Please visit workshop. I'm not sure what that is. Please replace key battery. Refuel. Okay, that's mine. That's nothing. Please add max 1 of oil, so it needs a service. Please check brake pads. The brake pads I'll probably need checking. What else is that? Okay, that's about it. You can see the lights all there. It's all lit up. Now we're gonna do a walk around video just to inspect for any damages or anything. I know that the brake pads definitely need changing. Maybe the discs need to be looked at as well, because upon driving I could hear a lot of squeaks and whatnot. So I'm gonna start off from the front of the vehicle. Let me actually turn off the vehicle now. I don't really need it on, just so you could hear me as well. So straight away, let's just start from the front of the vehicle. Let's inspect for anything. See if there's anything damaged, anything. A little bit of, I can't tell, that's just dirt or scratches. You can see that it's chipped a bit off here. Once again, same thing. This all of it, I can't tell if that's dirt or anything like that. Okay, that's the bottom. Let's look at the lights. Lights seem fine. Let's just zoom out a little bit. Any damages? Anyways, we're gonna go from the left-hand side. Tires are a bit used, but it's all right. Look at this wheel. See if there's any damages. It's a bit chipped here. So that's pretty much the wheel. There is slight damage on the wheel, as I pointed out. It's just a little white thing, so I don't know if that's been polished or if it's from the polish or whatnot. But the car is a bit dirty. Little scratch here. Let's look at that. Okay. GTD sign. There is a bit of like white stuff as I mentioned. Gonna look at the bottom of the side skirt. The side skirt seems okay. Can't tell if that's paint or dirt, but it is pretty dirty. Let's look at the wind. See if there's any cracks, any damages, chips. What's that? Little crack right here in the windscreen. Right here, there's a little crack. Let's see if there's any more damage. Okay. I'm gonna walk over, see the panel roof. Any chops? I'll check on the inside as well. Anyways, let me just make sure the electrical sides of things are working. Let's see the folding mirrors. Folding mirrors forward. Can we just... Okay. So that's obviously done. The electrical side of things in terms of the windows and the mirrors are fine. Again, just really dirty. This is just tiny little scratches here, minor things. Let's look at the back wheel. Yeah, the back wheel's been damaged, clearly. This is the driver rear. Once again, let's have a look. There's some rust with the brakes. A lot of rust, to be fair. This caliper is red, by the way. I've just noticed that the front one is not a good thread. But this caliper is, I don't know why it's like this. Again, rust. I don't really know a lot about calipers, to be fair, so. Oh no, okay. But anyways, yeah, this is damaged. Let's look at the side of it now. Again, all of this here. Let's look at the light. Can't tell if that was dirt. Might be dirt. This is all black white stuff as mentioned. Again here. Let's check this light. Check this light. Check this. See if there's anything. Oh my god, I don't know what this is. If that's meant to be there. It's not on this side. Look at the back window. Now we're coming to the driver side, not driver, sorry, passenger rear wheel. This wheel is definitely dirty, I'll tell you that. Again, rust. Because I know the brake pads need changing from the light, and there's a lot of squeaking when driving, not even when pressing the brake, just like, so I'm not sure if the pads are worn, if the discs are worn, so that's just like trying to get the best angles to make sure. Any damages? It's just really, really dirty. So I'm gonna try film it. Okay. Once again, this is all just like white stuff. Let's go over through the door. Door looks fine. Window looks fine. Back panel looks fine. This is the other mirror. See if there's anything trying to point out. looks fine up until now. Now we're going to the passenger front wheel. Yep, damaged, scraped. Even the tyre's a bit ripped here. Again, I've already shown this. There's little chips here on the front. So as again, just not to forget that, I just want to point it out because cracks are always the ones that we miss. Okay, let's have a look at the front first, inspect the front. The car is pretty dirty, to be fair. Screen. See the panel. Look at the panel roof actually. Let's open it up. Opens up fine. Let's close it. Just want to see if there's any cracks on the inside. That seems fine. No. This seems fine. The back seems fine. Ah, this is broken. So notice how this side has an actual thing for it to be holding. On that side, it's broken. So for this part here, it's broken. There's a little scratch going all through here. Where's the slipper? Bump. Some weird car, man. It's just a random flipper in the back, and it was a bit wet as well. I'm just gonna check for the locking nut, just to make sure. Yeah, this guy loves going to McDonald's. What the hell? Okay, the locking wheel nut. Where is the locking wheel nut? That's the only thing left. It's not here. It's not there. It might be in this bag, but this bag is just wet. It's soaked wet. Yeah, the locking wheel nut is in here, it's fine. Yeah, other than that, for the most part, that's the drop-off video. This is the... Did I get this already? What's the start? Okay, this is the car.